Hello, so in this video I'll be working through another interesting problem I found on IGCSE Maths. This is differentiation in graphs. So it's given us a cubic graph here and it's telling us that it has two tangents with a gradient of 10. Now whenever we see gradient and graphs, we should always think of differentiation or dy by dx. So first, what I'm going to do, they're asking us to find the equation of the two tangents. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to differentiate this right here. So, and I've talked about the rules of differentiation in my other video. And if you haven't already seen that, please make sure to go through that one. So after differentiating, this dy by dx is equal to 3x squared minus 10x plus 2. And so now it's telling us that the gradient is equal to 10, S2. So therefore, since dy by dx is another way to say a gradient function, therefore dy by dx is equal to 10. So now we can just say that 10 is equal to 3x squared minus 10x plus 2. Therefore, 3x squared minus 10x minus 8 is equal to 0. And now this is a quadratic that we need to solve. So we get 3x plus 2 times x minus 4 is equal to 0. When we factorize this, we get 3x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is either equal to negative 2 over 3 or x is equal to 4. But now we know the x value. So effectively what it's saying is that when x is equal to negative 2 over 3, on that point on the curve, the gradient is 10. And when x is 4, on that point on the curve, the gradient is 10. But we need to work out the equations of the tangents. So, in the form y equals mx plus c, you should know that when you have y equals mx plus c, m represents the gradient. M represents the gradient. And c represents the y-intercept. C is the y-intercept. But they've told us that these two tangents have a gradient of 10. So we know that the two tangents will have a equation in the form y equals 10x plus c. M is 10 in this case because they've told us that the gradient is 10. So now that we have these two pieces of information, to find the y value, firstly we need to find the y value of the corresponding x value. So when x is equal to negative 2/3, what is y? So to do that, all we need to do is substitute it back into the original equation, which is this one right here. So we substitute that in, so we get y is equal to negative 2 over 3 cubed minus 5 times negative 2 over 3 squared plus 2 times negative 2 over 3 plus 8. And then you put this in your calculator. And you should be getting an answer of 112 over 27. 112 over 27. So we have this, from this information, we have one coordinate of the point where the tangent is 10. That is negative 2 over 3 and 112 over 27. So now we have to do the same thing for x equals to 4. substitute it back into the original equation. So y is equal to 4 cubed minus 5 times 4 squared plus 2 times 4 plus 8. And that would give you an answer of, that's just 0. So now this gives us another coordinate, 4, 0. So at these 2 points, the gradient of the curve, the gradient at the point is 10. At these 2 points, the tangent has a gradient of 10. So now that we know that, we can now we can use our y equals to 10x plus c. We can use this now to find the y-intercept c. So let's do it for this one first. All we have to do is substitute in the respective values of x and y into the equation to find out what c is. So let's substitute that in. So 0 is equal to 10 by 4, that's what x is, plus c. And therefore we find from this that c is equal to negative 40. C is equal to negative 40. So that's one equation that we've obtained. So one equation, this is one of our answers. Y is equal to 10x minus 40. And let's highlight that. And now we have to do the same for the other part, for the other coordinate pair. So 112 over 27, we replace that with y, is equal to 10 multiplied by negative 2 over 3 plus c. And then if you put that in your calculator, you should get that c is equal to 292 over 7. And therefore, from this, we've got another equation of the tangent, and that is y is equal to 10x plus 292 over 7. And these are our two answers. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any other problems that you'd like me to work through, please put them in the comments. And if you like this, please like and share to any of our friends who would be doing the IGCSE Maths exam. And please also subscribe. Thank you very much.